in this quick 10-minute workout that will reduce your belly fat. These exercises will target your upper, middle and lower abs, as well as the muscles on the side of your core. Altogether, we have 9 exercises which we will do in 15 seconds with 10 seconds break. This workout will be fast, intense and efficient. So, let's get started.
Let's start with the first exercise, crunches. Lay on your back and place your hands behind your head with your elbows bent. Draw your belly in and press your back on the mat. Now, with an exhale, lift your upper body off the floor. Keep looking forward. Make sure you keep your elbows in line with your head. Perform the exercise at your own pace. Great job. Okay, next one, we have side plank knee to elbow tap. Lay on your side and support your body on your forearms. Bend the lower leg and keep the upper extended. Reach with the upper arm overhead and now bring the upper leg and arm close together. Extend and repeat. Let's repeat the same on the other side. Great work. Okay, next, alternating toe taps. Lay on your back with your leg extended and your toes pointing toward the ceiling. Raise your arms overhead and place them on the floor. Now, reach with one arm to the opposite toe and simultaneously lower the lower leg down toward the floor. Return to start position and repeat on the other side. Alternate. Keep going. I know it's getting harder and harder, but I believe in you, you can do it. Okay, perfect. Quick break and the following exercise we have plank. Support your body on your forearms and your toes. Keep your body in a straight line and engage your core muscles. Hold the position for 1 minute. Make sure to hold your core tight. Okay, great job. Next, similar to the previous one, but only this time we will add some dynamic to the movement. We have mountain climber. Support your body on the extended arms this time. Place your palms under the shoulders and align your body in a straight line. Now, bring one knee at a time toward your chest and squeeze your abs. Alternate between the legs. The faster you go, the more challenging the exercise. Great job. Okay, I hope you are starting to feel your abs right now. We have few exercises left. Next is scissors. Lay on your back and raise your legs up toward the ceiling. Keep your arms at the side. If that is too difficult, you can place them under your pelvis for support. Now, lower the legs toward the floor by crossing your legs. Make sure you keep your back on the floor throughout the exercise. Exhale as you lower your legs down and inhale as you come up. Great progress. Okay, next we have seated knee to elbow. For this one, you want to sit on the mat and place your arms behind your head. Bend your knees and keep your feet on the mat and slightly lean back. Now, bring the opposite knee to elbow together. Alternate between the sides. Great progress. We have 2 exercises left. Next, we have metronome. For this one, lay on your back and lift your feet off the floor. Keep your knees bent. Now, open your arms to the side with your palms facing up. Next, slowly move your legs side to side, slightly lifting the pelvis off the floor. Keep your core engaged throughout the exercise. Okay, we came to the final exercise. We have V-sit. Lay on the mat with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Keep your arms by the side. Now, lift your upper body up until you come to your legs. Raise your arms in front of you. Return down and repeat. If you cannot go all the way up, go as far as you currently can and you will build up your strength over time. Last one, perfect. Okay, that was all for today's workout. I hope you enjoyed it and see you next time. Bye bye.